So the younger generation with AI, with leadership qualities, are there enough leadership opportunities into the armed forces?
See, when you come into the Air Force, you're a young flying officer. Now, you have to grow from there. Abhi jaake leader bano yaar. You're given chance for leadership. Like you become an appointment and you assume certain responsibilities. So those appointments are grooming you into leadership. One of the achievements is being a 4-aircraft leader, means you can lead 4 aircraft. That's like a professional achievement for you. So when you join, you're just doing flying. You're just focused on doing your own flying, getting your skills. Day flying, night flying, bombing karna hai aapko, and ground training. You have to keep studying. So you stay in that 2-3 years in that zone, get your operational status, and then you become first aircraft, 2-aircraft leader. Then you do night flying status, so then you become a 4-aircraft leader. So that's all part of training and now becoming trained in leadership. So when you say artificial intelligence, these young people, yes, they will learn faster, but it's not simple. AI will not make it simpler. AI will help you.
Correct. Learn probably faster.
Yeah, but the steps involved towards leadership will be the same.